Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are very fine. Okay. Now, dear students, you have already seen two lectures of chapter number 9, uses of plants. We already started this chapter 9, uses of plant, and you have seen how many lectures? Yes, two lectures of this lectures, and I am hoping that you all are able to learn about the importance of the plant. Not only the importance of the plant, but how many things we all are getting from the plants. How human beings cannot live without plants. How plants are very useful to us. These all things we all are learnt and going to learn in this chapter, right? So in my first lecture, the first part of the lecture, I told you the names of the parts of the plant, right? How many parts of the plant have, है ना? So every plant have root, then stem, then branches, then leaves, then flowers, then fruits, है ना? So these are the parts of the plant, right? And in my second lecture, I explained you, I told you that how we all are using the all parts of the plant in our day-to-day life. How we can get the food from the parts of the plant in our day-to-day life, है ना? So I told you we all are eating the roots of the plant. Once again I will draw the picture of the plant. So what is the inside of the plant? Yes, roots. Roots are the inside of the plant. Roots are underground the plants, right? Then what is this? Yes, this is stem. Very good. And what I am drawing? Yes, these are leaves. These all are leaves. Yes, so what is the name of this part? Yes, this is root. What is that? This is root. And this one, which is directly connected with the root, what is the name of this part which is directly connected with the roots? Yes, this is stem. What is this? This is stem, right? And what is the name of this part which is directly connected with the stem? These all are the branches. These all are the branches, right? And what is this? Yes, leaves or leaf, right? So this green is leaf. Maximum numbers of the leaves are in green colors as well as in yellow colors, right? Okay, now I am going to draw. Yes, this is bud. In Hindi, you are calling kali na, har फूल की कली होती है ना बेटा. So this is bud, right? and here I am going to draw a small flower for you, and flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. Yes, flower is the most beautiful part of the plant, right? So I will label this part of the plant. This is flower. And what does remain? Yes, fruit. Fruit is the part of the plant and it is remain, right? So here I am writing fruit, right? So this is all about the lecture number 1, part number 1, right? So this is the picture of the plant, and there are so many parts of the plant as like human body, as like human being. I have also so many parts of the body, and you also have, as like us, plants also have the so many parts of the plant, right? So this part, the name of this part is root, and root is always the underground, है ना? The main function of the root, it is hold the plant very firmly. The main function of the root can hold the plant very firmly into the soil. वो मिट्टी में बहुत ताकत से जकड़ कर रखती है रूट्स प्लांट को और उसके आसपास की सॉइल को भी, है ना? ओके, नाउ द नेम ऑफ दिस पार्ट स्टेम. See dear students, when you was in class 1, that time you learnt about the stem also. Stem also the precious part of the plant, है ना? Big trees like neem, apple, mango, peepal, banyan, है ना? They have thick and strong stem. They are not having the thin and soft stem. No. Trees like peepal, neem, bargad, mango, they have thick means moti and strong stem. ठीक है? And when we will discuss about the small plants, है ना? Small plants like rose, right? Like marigold, है ना? Like jasmine. They have very soft and thin stem, है ना? उनकी बहुत मोटी और बहुत strong stem नहीं होती है. Plants have also thin and soft stem, and trees, big trees also have thick and strong stem, है ना? Okay, now which part is directly connected with the stem? Yes, branches. So these are branches. ये सारी branch हैं. क्या है ये सारी? Branch, है ना? And what is directly connected with the branch? Yes, leaves. These leaves is directly connected with the branch. Branch में तो leaves आती है ना बेटा, है ना? Okay, now then after leaves, bird, kali, है ना? Have you seen the bird of rose? Yes, it's very pretty. It's very lovely, looking nice. When we will see the bud of rose, we feel very pleasant. We feel very happy. We always smile when we will see the flowers. When we will see the bird, है ना? So this is bird. I will draw it once again because it is not looking very pretty. Yes, now it's looking quite good. Okay, and what is this? This is flower, and flower is the so special part of any plant. We human beings love flowers. है ना? When we will see the flowers, we feels very happy. We are not getting angry when we will see the flower. ऐसा कभी होता है क्या कि आप किसी फूल को देखें और आपको बहुत तेज गुस्सा आए? No, we always smile. We always feel happy when you give a flower to anybody. Then person who takes the flower, he or she also feels very happy. ऐसा होता है ना? क्लास में आप जब अपनी टीचर के लिए, अपनी मैम के लिए फूल लेकर आते हो तो मैम क्या बोलती है? प्यार से आपको स्माइल करके और थैंक यू बोलती है ना? यस, सो फ्लावर्स इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट. नाउ फ्रूट. एवरी प्लांट हैज फ्रूट बेटा. जितने भी प्लांट्स होते हैं उन सबके फ्रूट्स होते ही हैं, और उन फ्रूट्स में जो सीड्स होते हैं उनके ही थ्रू दूसरे प्लांट या दूसरा ट्री बनता है. राइट? ओके, आई विल गिव यू सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स, है ना? सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेल. सी, मैंगो. हैव यू सीन द सीड्स ऑफ मैंगो which you call gutli in Hindi na? Yes. So mango seeds means gutli. आम की जो गुठली होती है that is very big in size, है ना? And when mama will cut the papaya and take out the seeds, have you seen? Yes, there are so many black small seeds inside the papaya, है ना? And when we will talk about the watermelon, when we are talking about the seeds, how we can forget to talk about the watermelon? Yes, during summer season everybody loves to eat watermelon, tarboos. Yes, so when mama and papa is cutting the watermelon, what we can see? Yes, the small black seeds inside it. And not only one seed, not only two seeds, there are so many seeds inside it. Right? So, muskmelon, another example. Yes, muskmelon also have so many small seeds inside it. The color of muskmelon seeds are white. The color of watermelon seeds, the black. Okay, when we will now we are talking about seeds, so how we can forget to talk about the seeds of apple? When you will eat the apple, you can see there are not so many seeds, not only one seed, है ना? Apple में जो बेटा, apple is not as like mango. Mango have only one seed, and apple is not as like watermelon. Watermelon has many seeds, but apple have few seeds, like 10 or 12 seeds. ठीक है? So every plant has fruit. Okay. And in my second lecture, the second part of this chapter, we discussed about the parts of the plants, but we discussed not only the parts of the plant, but we discussed about how we all are using, how we all are eating all the different parts of the plants in the form of food, है ना? So in this category we discussed about root, because we always start discussing with the roots only beta. Why? Because roots is the main part of any plant, है ना? So we all are eating the roots in the form of food. Yes, ऐसा नहीं होता कि प्लांट को उखाड़ा और रूट्स खाना शुरू कर दिया. नो, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग लाइक दैट. आई वॉन्ट टू से यू दैट वी ऑल आर ईटिंग द रूट्स एंड रूट्स इज द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट, but we all are eating the roots in the form of food. So in this category we all are eating the carrot, radish, turnip, onion, है ना. ये सारी रूट्स होती हैं बेटा जिन्हें हम फूड के रूप में खाते हैं. राइट. गाजर का हलवा, यस, गाजर का हलवा तो योर फेवरेट ना. यस. सो कैरेट जमीन के अंदर होती है, रूट्स होती है वो. ठीक है. एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द स्टेम. यस. स्टेम के फॉर्म में कौन कौन से फूड होते हैं? जो फूड हमें स्टेम के फॉर्म में मिलते हैं वो होते हैं जिंजर एंड शुगर कैन. जिंजर मीन्स अदरक एंड शुगर कैन मीन्स गन्ना. राइट. सो Mammas, Papa, Dadu, Dadi always love to drink ginger tea, and we all are using ginger as a spice also. When Mama is preparing vegetable, she also put some ginger into the vegetable. And sugar cane, गन्ना. Yes. अच्छा, अभी हाल 11 खोपड़ी आने वाली है ना. That time you will see the sugar cane. Mama and Papa will bring the sugar cane and they will worship of sugar cane. Yes. So sugar cane juice, गन्ने का रस, everybody loves to drink, है ना. and sugar से ही क्या बनती है? we can make चीनी और जैगरी. चीनी and जैगरी, sugar and जैगरी we can make with the sugar cane, है ना. and we all are love to eat sweet dishes. तो सारी की सारी मिठाइयाँ शक्कर से ही तो बनती है. और शक्कर किस चीज से बनती है? वो बनती है गन्ने से. और गन्ना क्या है? गन्ना प्लांट की स्टेम होती है. ठीक है. ओके. नाउ लीव्स. व्हेन वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट लीव्स. यस. लीव्स मीन्स द स्मॉल पत्तियां. ड्यूरिंग विंटर सीजन मम्मा इज मेकिंग मेथी का पराठा, पालक का पराठा, पालक पनीर. तो क्या है ये सब? लीव्स है ना. लेकिन ये वो लीव्स हैं जो हम खाने के रूप में खाते हैं. ये कोई जंगली पेड़ की या जंगली पौधे की या जंगली प्लांट की लीव्स नहीं है बेटा जिसको वी कैन नॉट ईट. नो. दीज ऑल लीव्स वी ऑल आर ईटिंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फूड. राइट. देन बड and flower. Yes, we all are eating so many things like cauliflower, gobi ka phool, broccoli means a kind of gobi but it is completely green in the color. वो पूरी हरी गोभी होती है. that is available in the market. right. अब now fruits. तो fruits के अंदर क्या होते हैं? seeds होते हैं. so we all are eating the seeds also we all are eating in the form of what? yes, in the form of food. so pea जो मटर होती है that is the nice example of seeds we all are eating, है ना. and we eat cereals like wheat, rice, pulses, moong, grain. From plant cereals and pulses are food grains, है ना. so in this chapter you can see so many seeds like wheat, rice, है ना. pulses. These all are the kind of food grains. Okay. Now move on and we will discuss about the spices. Spices also we all are getting from the plant only. Now, तो this वाला portion बेटा last these two lines of page number 55 I am going to read, then I will explain to you. Okay. So beside these we get other things like spices from the plants. They make our food delicious. Beside all these things we get other things like spices. Yes, I told you na, that spices we also get from the plant only. They make our food delicious. When we will put all these spices in the food, whatever food mama is making, when we will put all these spices, so it makes our food delicious. वो बहुत स्वादिष्ट हो जाता है और उसका स्वाद आ जाता है ना. When mama is making kheer or when mama is making any sweet dish, then what she will add? What is the name of this green one? हाँ, हिंदी में तो you can identify ना. This is इलायची in हिंदी ना. And what is the name of in English? Yes, cardamom. Yes, this is the English name. And number 2, what we are calling in Hindi? What is this black? What is this black? Yes, cloves. And Hindi mein what we are calling? What is the Hindi name? Long. What is the Hindi name? Long. When mama, papa, we all are suffering from cough and cold, that time we all are eating these cloves, है ना? Because we want to remove the cough and cold from the throat, है ना? And cinnamon. This is, what is the Hindi name of this spice? In Hindi, this is dalchini. In Hindi, this is dalchini. And in English, it's cinnamon, right? And last, what is this? Yes, in Hindi, mama is calling that khada dhania or dhania. But in English, coriander. What is the English name? Yes, coriander. Right? So I am going to turn the page and I am on page number 56. In which page? Page number 56. Right? So let's see what is written, what is given in page number 56. Dry foods. Yes. Here to so many pictures of dry foods are given like badam, kishmish, kaju and moongfali. है ना? Along me you all are seeing the picture of badam, kishmish, kaju and moongfali. But these all are the Hindi names. All the names whatever I spoke, these all are the Hindi names. And what is the English name? Yes, almondros, raisins, cashew nut, kaju curry we all love to eat. When we will go in a hotel or in a restaurant, first we will order this vegetable. Then moongfali. Yes, Nimad is very famous for moongfali. So what is the English name of moongfali? Groundnuts, है ना? Let's see what is written in this line. Dry foods are also in making sweets and also eaten raw to get energy. So what is the good thing about the dry foods? Dry foods always used when mama is making sweet dishes. मिठाइयाँ जब भी बनती हैं, mama is using dry foods. Okay, and we can eat. What is the good quality of the dry foods? Yes, we can eat dry food as like they are. We can eat dry foods in their original form. जैसे हैं बेटा, हम इनको वैसे के वैसे ही खा सकते हैं. This is the most good thing about the dry foods. Raw means, see, R-A-W, raw is written over here. So raw means कच्चा. हम इसको जैसे हैं वैसे का वैसा ही खा सकते हैं without doing any change. We can eat dry foods in the raw form also. And what we are getting when we will eat dry foods? Yes, we all are getting energy to work more, energy to study hard, energy to play, right? And some of these dry foods are almond drops, badam. Yes, when we want to improve our memory power, mama always dip some almond drops in the water and yes, and it remains same in the water. पानी में मम्मा बादाम को भिगोकर छोड़ देती हैं, and then in the morning when mama will wake you up, that time mama will give you that almond drops which completely suck in the water, है ना? And as like kishmish, yes, this is also we all are love to eating. Cashew nuts, kaju, this is also good for our health. And see, kaju, what is the good thing about this cashew nut? Cashew nuts, so we all are using not only in the sweets, but we all are making the vegetables also. Cashew nuts we can use to make the vegetable also. Kaju curry, yes, kaju curry is the main dish when we will go any hotel or restaurant. This dish you can see in the menu, na? Then groundnuts, मूंगफली. This Nimad area is very famous for groundnuts. सबसे ज़्यादा मूंगफली बेटा निमाड़ में ही होती है ना? We can eat. That's why, this is the reason behind that mama always putting this groundnuts. Mama is also using this groundnut as a spice, है ना? When we are eating bindi ki sabzi, lady fingers vegetable, mama also putting some groundnuts. In gilki ki sabzi, mama also putting groundnuts. Bangan, brinjal, mama also putting groundnuts, है ना? In so many vegetables we can use this groundnut as a spice also. We can make the gravy with the groundnuts, right? Okay, now move on. And line number 3, plants also provide us with tea, coffee and sugar. So plant is not only provide us the food, the vegetable, the fruits only, है ना? But plants provide us spices also. Plants provide us dry foods also. As like in this category, plants also provide us tea, coffee and sugar also, right? We get sugar from which plant, which crop? Yes, sugar cane. गन्ने की भी बहुत सारी फसलें लगाई जाती हैं बेटा. When you will go in Maheshwar side ना, that side महेश्वर, मंडलेश्वर, कसरावत, इस साइड में बहुत ज़्यादा गन्ने और केले की ही खेती होती है. Sugar cane and banana. You can see so many fields. There are grow this crop, है ना? So tea forms the leaves and coffee form coffee beans. जो टी होती है ना बेटा, जो चाय होती है, टी, there are so many big gardens of the tree on hilly areas. जितने भी जो पहाड़ी एरिया होते हैं ना बेटा, वहाँ पर बहुत सारे टी गार्डन होते हैं. टी के, चाय के बागान बोलते हैं जिसको, क्या बोलते हैं? हिंदी में बोलते हैं चाय के बगीचे, चाय के बागान. तो ये सारे के सारे उधर साउथ में ही होते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द टी गार्डन्स वी कैन सी व्हेन वी विल गो फॉर रोमिंग इन द साउथ. व्हेन वी विल go to visit the south area na, that time we can see these tea gardens, right? और जो टी की लीव्स होती है उसी से चाय बनती है. Okay, when we all are not having tea, then some people are love to have coffee. So कॉफी भी प्लांट से ही बनती है, और उसके जो सीड्स होते हैं we all are using that seed to get the coffee, to make the coffee. ठीक है, बट लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता बेटा कि चाय की जो पत्तियां हैं उनको तोड़ा, या गन्ना है गन्ने को काटा और उससे शक्कर, नहीं, या कॉफी के प्लांट में से बीज को तोड़े और बस, नहीं। ये सारा का सारा दैट इज ऑल द रॉ मटेरियल, है ना। वेदर इट इज अ tea leaves, whether we will talk about sugar cane or whether we will talk about coffee beans, so these we all are getting from the plant only, but we all are getting in the raw form. ये सारा कच्चा माल होता है, raw material, है ना। then इस सारे रॉ मटेरियल को फैक्ट्रीज में भेजा जाता है, वहां पर जाकर ये जो टी लीव्स होती हैं वो चाय बन जाती है, जो शुगर कैन होता है उसकी शक्कर, जो शक्कर की मिलें होती हैं वहाँ शक्कर बनती है, जो गुड़ की मिलें होती हैं वहाँ पर गुड़ बनता है, और कॉफ़ी बीन्स से कॉफ़ी फैक्ट्री में जाकर कॉफ़ी बनाई जाती है। ठीक है, you all will learn all these things when you will go in your further classes, you learn all these things, right? So how many things we all are eating, we all are getting from the plants? Yes, first thing, so we all are getting all these things from the plant only, है ना। all the food we all are getting all types of vegetables, we all are getting all types of fruits, we all are getting all type of cereals, pulses, grains, we all are eating. And apart from these food item, we all are having spice also from the plants, we all are having dry foods also from the plant, and not only all these things, but tea, sugar and coffee also we all are getting from the plant only, right? Now on this wala beta, oil from plants, we will discuss on this. ठीक है, so we all are not getting from the food item, but we all are getting oil, whatever oil is mama is using to make the vegetable, to make the dal, to fry the puri and all these things. We all need oil, so there are two types of oil. first वाला oil कौन सा होता है? Yes, first is hair oil that we all are applying on our hair and on our body. ठीक है, and second oil is cooking oil. We all are using that oil to make food, right? So there are two types of oil we all are getting from the plant, right? So there are two types of oil we all getting from the plant only, right? So what are the names of these plants? Yes, first one is cooking oil. Number one is cooking oil, है ना, cooking oil. And number two, applying oil. ठीक है, cooking oil and applying oil. So cooking oil we all are using to make the food, है ना. Let's see what is written in your book. Then we will discuss about these, right? So obtain oil. What is written in the book? The seeds. The seeds means seeds कहाँ से मिलता है? Seeds मिलता है fruit से. Because every fruit has, every plant has fruit and every fruit has seeds. ठीक है? So the seeds of certain plants are crushed to obtain oil. जो फ्रूट्स के अंदर जो सीड्स होते हैं ना बेटा, उनको क्रश्ड करते हैं, क्रश करते हैं ऐसे. मतलब क्या बताऊँ मैं आपको, कैसे समझाऊँ? क्रश करना मीन्स मसलना, रगड़ना. सो फिर वो क्या बन जाते हैं? वो ऑयल में कन्वर्ट होते हैं. लेकिन वी कांट डू विथ आवर हैंड्स, है ना. दीज ऑल प्रोसेस डन इन द बिग बिग फैक्ट्रीज, है ना. देयर आर सो मेनी बिग बिग फैक्ट्रीज ऑफ oil, whether it is cooking oil or applying oil. So there are two types of oil, ठीक है, cooking oil and applying oil. So how we are getting the seeds of certain plants? Certain means अलग अलग तरह के जो plants होते हैं, अलग अलग तरह की जो crops होती हैं, है ना. जब हम उनके बीज को फैक्ट्रीज में क्रश करते हैं, so we get the oil, we get the oil. Right? So in this category we need this oil for cooking, making soaps and applying on hair. We get oil from these trees. So how many trees? From which trees we are getting oil? First, coconut oil, है ना. In each and every house we can see the coconut oil. हर घर में coconut oil होता है. Why? Because coconut oil is the most branded oil which we all are using on, we all are applying on our hair and on our skin. Coconut oil is very good for our hair. That's why in each and every house we can see the coconut oil. Then second, sunflower oil. Sunflower in Hindi सूरजमुखी का तेल. Sunflower oil also we all are using to cook the food. It is a cooking oil beta. Sunflower oil cooking oil है, coconut oil applying oil है, right? Then number 3, mustard seeds. Mustard seeds means सरसों के बीज, जिसे आप हिंदी में राई भी कहते हो. Mustard seeds means सरसों के बीज, ठीक है. So mustard seeds also a cooking oil, also a kind of a cooking oil, right? During winter season, most of the grandparents, they all are using this mustard oil, because this mustard oil in Hindi we all are calling सरसों का तेल. It is very warm, ये गर्म होता है ना. Sometimes your ears are paining, कानों में दर्द होता है. That time also मम्मा will telling you ना, अरे मैं थोड़ा सा सरसों का तेल डाल देती हूँ और फिर आपके कान का दर्द अच्छा हो जाएगा. So this mustard oil is very very powerful, getting very energy. When we all are having this mustard oil ना, it is very good for our health. सोयाबीन का जो तेल होता है, that is not good for our health, but this mustard oil is very good for our health, right? And last, groundnut. Groundnut, so you can see in the picture, it is very much given over in the picture. And this Nimad is very famous for मूंगफली. This groundnut oil, yes, मूंगफली का भी तेल होता है, बादाम का भी तेल होता है, सरसों का भी तेल होता है, सूरजमुखी का भी तेल होता है, नारियल का भी तेल होता है ना. सीड्स में से बेटा हमेशा ऑयल निकलता ही है. बट मेन गुड थिंग इज अबाउट सीड्स दैट some oil are cooking oil and some oil are applying. This is the difference. But when you will go to south area na, so people of south, they also are having the coconut oil, है ना. They all are using the coconut oil in the food only. They are making their food in the coconut oil. Not only they are applying the coconut oil on the hair, but they all are using the coconut oil in food also, right? And the last paragraph, wood from plants. Last paragraph we will not discuss in this lecture. This is, I think this is enough for this lecture. When we will meet in the last lecture of the chapter, when we will discuss about wood from plants, rubber from plants, fiber from plants. We will all discuss on these things, है ना? So take a small recap whatever we learnt today. आज हमने क्या सीखा? So today we discuss about the cereals. Today we discuss about the seeds, है ना? Seeds, cereals, pulses, rice, wheat, grains, food grains, है ना? We all are getting from the plant only. Then apart from the food items, we all are having the spice also from the plants. We all are getting spices, different spices which we all are using to make the vegetable, to make the food taste delicious. We all are using all the spices, masale, and these spices we all are getting from the plants only, है ना? So in this category, lychee, long, dalchini, coriander, these are the names of the spices which are given in your book. In English, cardamom, cloves, cinnamons, coriander. These are the names, है ना? So we are not getting food only, but we all are getting the spices only. Whatever spices we all are making, when we all are using, when we are making the food, then only we all are using, right? So apart from the spices, we discussed about the dry foods also. Dry foods like almond drops, cashew nut, groundnut, then akroot, pistachio. All these things we are getting from the plant only. And what is the main work of the dry foods? Dry foods we can eat in the raw form. Dry foods we can eat as like they are in the original form of the dry foods, है ना? And dry foods is the source to get more energy. And when mama is making any sweet dish, she garnish the dish with the dry foods, है ना? When mama will making kheer, mama will garnish the kheer with the dry foods. When mama is making laddu, then only, है ना? Now winter season is going to come. Winter season already started. So winter season में तो everybody's mama making the ठंड के लड्डू ना. So what she is using? Yes, all kinds of dry foods like kaju, badam, pista, akhroot, kishmish. All types of dry foods mama is using to make the laddu. Yes. Now, then we discuss about the tea, coffee and sugar. So not only food item beta, but जो भी हम चीजें drink करते हैं, जो भी चीजें हम चाय, whether we will discuss about tea, coffee, we all are getting from the plant only. So tea कैसे बनती है? Tea leaves से. और there are so many big gardens in the south area, tea gardens. Famous tea garden is situated in the south areas. वहाँ से सारी tea leaves आती है, right? Sugar how we can get from the sugar cane, है ना? And coffee beans we get from coffee कैसे मिलती है? Coffee bean से मिलती है, right? Then we discuss about the different oil. Oil also we all are getting from the plants only. So what is the main in the oil? Yes, seeds are the main part of the oil. Oil जो है वो seeds से ही बनते हैं, बीज से ही बनते हैं. Whether it is the seeds of sunflower, whether it is the seeds of mustard, whether it is the seeds of groundnut, all the seeds जितने भी seeds होते हैं वो सब oil बनते हैं, ठीक है? Then there are two kinds of oil. First one is cooking oil, second one is applying oil. So in this category only one, coconut oil and almond drops oil. Almond drops oil मतलब बादाम का तेल. We all are applying on our hairs, है ना. See, during winter season coconut oil जो होता है नारियल का तेल, वो तो ठंड की वजह से जम जाता है. So especially in the winter season we all are using the almond drops oil. उस दौरान हम बादाम का तेल यूज करते हैं क्योंकि वो ठंड में भी जमता नहीं है. ठीक है. And when mama is making the foods, mama is using sunflower oil, mama can use mustard oil, mama can use groundnut oil, whatever oil she wants to use she can use. Okay. So I am hoping whatever I want to make you learn, whatever I want to make you learn today, है ना. But small work I am giving you as a homework today. See dear students, you have to paste the pictures of wheat, rice, grains and spices. See, you have to paste the picture of today's homework. I am writing over here. Paste the pictures of food grains. Food grains. Food grains means अनाज का. Then उसके बाद spices. Right? Then after spices, dry foods. Right? And then seeds. So you have to paste the pictures, or if you are not having facility for pasting you can draw. अगर आपके पास पेस्ट करने की फैसिलिटी नहीं है तो आप उसको ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो आपको फूड ग्रेन्स में क्या क्या आता है, व्हीट, राइस, मूंग एंड ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ ग्रेन सीरियल्स. यू कैन पेस्ट द पिक्चर ऑफ देम. देन स्पाइसेस में मसाले, जो भी मसालों के पिक्चर्स है यू कैन ड्रॉ और यू कैन पेस्ट. दोनों काम यू कैन डू. राइट. देन ड्राई फ्रूट्स and then seeds. नहीं, इतने ही ठीक, इतना बहुत है. Only 3 things: food grains, spices and dry fruits. These 3 things you have to do as a homework. Okay. So I am hoping that whatever work I will give you, you will do with full honesty. You will not show your laziness. Right. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all, keep always good study, bye.